Hi folks, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to set up a Flite 16 with a Spektrum radio using a full-size Spektrum receiver. Now I'm using an IX20, but you can use a DX style radio or an NX style radio. The setup is exactly the same. How to set this up? Well, first I've obviously got to bind my receivers. You can see I've got those bound, and you will need a full-size receiver and at least 2 SRXL2 satellites. Usually with Spektrum, the full-size receivers need at least 1 satellite connected, and you will need a secondary satellite connected or available to connect directly to the Flite 16. How I've got this set up is I've got my R1 connection to my SRXL2 port on my receiver. I then have another SRXL2 satellite connected, and I have the secondary SRXL2 satellite connected to the R2 port on the Flite 16. Once I've got those done, the next step is you go into the main menu of the screen, you go into System, Receiver Protocol, and the SRXL2 button there. Now, if you're using a DX style radio, like a DX18, we also have an option for DX18 mode there. All right, but with the IX20s, use the standard SRXL2 option. Once I select that, the system will actually reset, and you'll see that you should have good connection with your receivers. I've got a really basic setup here with ailerons, elevator, and a rudder as well. Okay, so that's the easiest way to set up with a full-size receiver. Again, you will need at least 2 SRXL2 style satellites and 1 full-size receiver, and you will also need a 3-pin to 4-pin cable adapter. So this plugs into the R2 port, and the 4-pin side plugs into the SRXL2 satellite. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos as we go through a more advanced setup.